Alright, welcome to the... I'm sorry, I was just realizing that tomorrow's Thursday and I gotta make a test for y'all. So yeah, I'll go ahead and I'll probably make the test for y'all during class tomorrow. The test will be up by then. But let's go ahead and look at section 15.2, page 3. And we're going to finish this up, and what we're going to do is we're going to calculate the iterated integral. So again, from 0 to 1, 0 to 3, e to the x plus 3y dx dy. So again, hopefully you notice that if you have addition in the exponent, it's just, your bases are multiplying. So e to the x plus 3y could really be written as e to the x times e to the 3y. So again, I can break this up into a product, so I can have two different integrals. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go from 0 to 1, e to the 3y dy times the integral from 0 to 3, e to the x dx. Make sure that's correct. 0 to 1 is going to dy. Alright, so let's go ahead and take the integral of the first. So taking the integral of e to the 3y is just going to be 1/3 e to the 3y. Make my 3's better. From 0 to 1 times, and now we'll go ahead and take the integral of e to the x. That's just e to the x. Those are always great. So e to the x and we're going to go from 0 to 3. Alright, let's go ahead and substitute in. So we get 1/3. Go ahead and pull the 1/3 out this time. E to the 3y, pull the constant out this time. So I get e times 3, or e to the 3 times 1, which is just going to be e cubed. Again, for some reason my 3's do not look pretty. Minus e to the 0, which is going to be 1, times e to the 3rd power minus e to the 0. And looks like I'm done. It's just 1/3 e cubed minus 1 squared. Alright? And I can leave my answer that way. Or, if you want to, you could do e cubed minus 1 squared. You could actually do that. You get e to the 6 minus 2e cubed plus 1 times all that times 1/3. Alright, so if you wanted to keep going, keep going. You can stop there, and because you'll have the same value. And this is, to me, in a simpler form than actually going ahead and squaring e cubed minus 1. Alright, so now, again, we have another double integral. In this case, we have y plus x, y to the negative 2. And here, it gives us our region. And our region is going to be from 0 to 2 for x and 1 to 2 for y. So let's go ahead and write out our double integral. You can choose what want to come first. Let's go ahead and choose. Let's go ahead and make y come first, just because we've been doing x first for a while. So 1 to 2 y plus, whoa, I gotta do my other integral. So 1 to 2, and then the other integral for x is going to be 0 to 2. And then of our function, y plus xy to negative 2. And then on the inside we're using x, and then the outside we're using y. Alright, so let's go ahead and take the integral with respect to x. And what we're going to get is xy, that one's nice, plus 1/2 x squared y to the negative 2 from 0 to 2 gy. now we're going to substitute in. So we're going to substitute in 2 for x. So we get 2y plus 2 squared over, so 4 over 2, which is just going to be 2y to the negative 2, minus, now let's go ahead and plug in 0, which is nice, because everything is going to be 0. So we're just left with the integral from 1 to 2, 2y plus 2y to the negative 2 dy. And now we're going to integrate that. So let's go ahead and integrate that. Alright, and so integrating 2y is just y squared. Integrating 2y to the negative 2, you have negative 1. So it's just going to be minus 2y to the negative 1 power 1 to 2. And so we have y squared minus 2y to the negative 1. Plug in 2 for y squared, and we're going to get 2 squared, which is 4, minus 2 times 1 over 2. I'll just go ahead and write it this way. 2 times 1/2. It's going to give you 1, but I just wanted to show you how you get 1 in case you didn't see it. Minus, substitute in the 1. We're going to get 1 squared, which is just 1, minus 2. And so you get 4 minus 2 times 1/2 is just going to be 1. And then we have 1 minus 2. And I'll write it all out so there's no confusion. So we get 4 minus 1 minus, and then I'll do 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. And so it looks like we're going to get 4 minus 1 minus negative 1, which is just going to be 4 minus 1 plus 1. And the negative 1 plus 1 cancels out, and we get 4. Alright, and I'm going to stop the video here. I'm going to do the next one in another video. I just don't want these videos to be too long as I'm going through these.